Hi everyone! Today for dinner we're going to make a super easy one-pan meal. It stars Vidalia onions and it's got vermicelli and pork, but you can also use beef. It's super easy to make, it only uses one pan, and as always it's made of whole foods, nutrient dense, and it's also gluten and dairy free. So come on, let's go! We will start by cutting 6 ounces of thinly shaved pork into bite-sized pieces, slice some ginger into thin slices, and slice a few sprigs of spring onion. Soak 1 bundle of vermicelli noodles in hot water. Rice noodles also work. Preheat a pan and add a tablespoon or so of oil. Add in the sliced pork and allow to sear. Break it up a little bit if you can. Now while the pork is searing, we're going to slice an onion into thin slices. After 3 minutes, the pork should have some color on it. We're going to add a tablespoon of rice wine and a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. A spoonful of sugar will help the sauce caramelize. Allow to simmer and reduce slightly. Add in the spring onion and stir to incorporate. Add in the sliced onions and also the soaked vermicelli noodles. Mix everything together and break up the pieces of onion. Set your pan to medium heat and allow to simmer for 5 or 6 minutes. The dish is ready when the vermicelli noodles are soft but still bouncy and the onions become transparent. And there we have it, a super easy and delicious one-pan meal. The textures are what make this dish amazing. You've got crunchy, bouncy, chewy, and tender, all in one bite. And it comes together in all less than 15 minutes. Yum! Okay, so dinner is done. That was super satisfying. We also finished the dishes, which took 2 minutes because it was only one pan. And now we're just on our way to Whole Foods, but stay tuned for a special delivery. Hey guys! So we just got back from Whole Foods. I completely forgot about this package because I ordered it from Amazon about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And it was supposed to come next day delivery, but hey, thank you pandemic, it has taken 3 weeks. This was my newest Amazon find. It's a coconut milk rice pudding. I love anything creamy, and when I saw this, I had to give it a try. So this is cinnamon flavor. They do have other flavors. They have original flavor. They have a salted caramel flavor. They also have a cocoa flavor, but I love cinnamon, so I decided to try this one first. Now, it says here, it's gluten-free and dairy-free. Unfortunately, it only comes in like giant bulk boxes, so if I don't like it, but anyway. I'm gonna need some tools. And I'm back. I'm so excited. It feels like a Christmas morning when you get presents. Oh! And let's just take one out. Enjoy chilled, warm, or room temperature. The sugar content is not bad. It's 8 grams of sugar, 6 grams of added sugar, which is pretty good for a dessert cup. So let's give it a try. First impressions do not look too appetizing, but it's all in the taste, right? Okay, so definitely better than I thought. It's almost custardy in texture, and it's not too sweet. It's the perfect amount of sweetness, and it's quite cinnamony, which I love. But it's honestly not as creamy as I was hoping. Actually, you know, that might be a good thing, because I often find with really rich desserts, the first bite is fantastic, but then as you go down, it starts getting really sickly and unenjoyable. I can imagine this being enjoyable for the whole pot. One thing they added is pieces of young coconut, which once you hit it, breaks up the soft texture, so it's like crunchy bits of fresh coconut. I give it a solid 7.2 out of 10. All right, I will finish this and I will see you later.